Hello, hello. This is Pat with Petruska Papers. I'm out in the Bluebird Bungalow on a very noisy Saturday, and I apologize if you can hear the mower and my air conditioner and the blower. There's a lot going on, and I'm in here where it's semi-cool. It's an 88-degree day with about 80% humidity. So it feels like, I don't know, hot. So I have an addition to the Home Sweet Homes by the Sea Beach Cabanas or Beach Huts Junk Journal. All right. They make fun little additions to your page. They can be a bookmark. They can be whatever you want. Okay, now, this is take 2. I wasn't filming before. So, when you make these, you can make them single, double, or triple. I wouldn't go more than the triple. They get a little out too hard. So, there's the small ones. They're coming in the same kit, the small and the large. And this shows, I've already cut this one up, but this is what I will make out of this one. I've scored it, and I'll show you how to do that. And then here's the large size, and we'll make one of those. So, when you are making your kit, the small ones come on a sheet like this, where there's 2 different row of houses. And you'll cut on that dotted line or dashed line. And then while you have it all together, do score it. It's much easier, or even fold it in that middle where the peaks meet and at the bottom. Okay, these lines are for your cutting. So I am going to cut this blue one. I need to trim off the white there. And I'm cutting about as crooked as possible. So we fold there, fold there, fold there. We need a little clip. We're going to put the bigger loop of the paper clip on the inside. You need some moist glue, and I'm using art glitter glue because it dries quickly. Fold that down. I have a lot of room up here, so when I'm doing this side, which is just a thin strip of glue there, I am going to put some up here, and then that will make it so that I can cut the peak and have a peaked hidden paper clip. Okay, so I'm going to squish those sides together so that the glue is distributed, especially up here. Then I'm going to cut that little peak like that and do a little distressing. And that's all it takes. So now I have that. Now if I were doing the 3, this one's 4, but I'm just going to show you. I don't want to cut that off because I'm going to do probably 2s. But you would put 2 paper clips on this, and then follow the very same steps where you'd glue there, glue it down, glue there, and tuck it under. Okay, so that's the small ones. the large ones, I have already scored, and I am going to see how straight can I cut. Right down there. Fold in half. Fold at the bottom of the little houses. I need a little bit of distressing there in the top. All right, these, it's a jumbo clip. Same thing, put the larger side inside. I think, let's see, let's let this stick up just a bit. Okay. We need to put the glue on the side where we clipped the paper clip. Glue it down. And I see where I need to do a little tiny bit of trimming right along there. Okay, and then over here, I'm going to put a little bit at the top of this. I stuck my finger right in it, and then right down this side like that, and like that. And then tuck it up underneath and scooch it up in there. And then pinch each of the sides and the top, making sure that that glue is distributed. And there we have our big one. Now I haven't tried doing 3 of the big, but you could, but use 2 clips. So here's all my clips. I am hidden paper clip rich. And then slide them into your little journal. They can fit on pockets like that. Onto the pages. Oh, let's put this one there. Pink looks cute. Just like that. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. This is a digital kit. It is, the link is in the description below. Just click on the more after the description. It'll pop down. You can click right on it and it'll go to my Etsy shop. And I will also link the location of the junk journal. Hey, thank you guys. Give me a thumbs up. It means a lot to me that you watch. Take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.